Hey YouTube, welcome back to our Candles Cartel YouTube channel. My name is Sarah Z. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the captivating world that is candle safety and also tips and tricks that you can use next time you burn your favorite candle at home. So please stay tuned because I'm about to ignite your curiosity. So, as we all know, accidents can happen, whether it's leaving your burning candle unattended, placing it near flammable or combustible items, or just simply putting it in the wrong candle holder. That's why it's important to know the basis of candle safety. Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Z, your candle enthusiast. And not only am I super passionate about candles, I'm actually the main candle maker here at Candles Cartel, so I can't stress enough the importance of candle safety. So let's dive right into today's video. So imagine coming home after a long day of work and all you want to do is unwind. Well, what better way to do so than lighting your favorite candle? First things first, you definitely want to make sure that you are paying attention to where you're lighting your candle, specifically away from any flammable items, away from any drafts or open windows, and you definitely want to make sure that you're placing your candle on a heat resistant surface. So our concrete jars, our 8 ounces and our 10 ounces actually come with free candle coasters. That way your candle is always burning on a heat resistant surface. And by doing so, you can actually prevent any accidental fire. In addition to your free coaster, we actually do put in a free candle burn book that basically just gives different tips and tricks on how to properly burn your candles. Now that you found a safe space to burn your candle, you want to make sure that you're trimming your wick about 1/4 of an inch each and every time you're lighting it, and that is in order to prevent any excessive smoke and any flickering flames. And you never want to let your candles burn for more than 4 hours at a time. You just want to make sure that you are allowing enough time for the wax to melt completely to the edges of the container to prevent any tunnel. So the last final tip that I have in order to enjoy your candle experience is just to lastly make sure that you are discarding of your candle when it gets to about 1/4 of an inch of wax. So when following all of these tips and tricks, you can ensure that you get a soot-free, a clean burning candle each and every time. And the great thing about these concrete jars is that you can actually reuse them when you're done. Just scoop out any remaining wax and you now have a pot holder, you now have a pencil holder, you now have a makeup brush holder. So it's really great for those reasons. You do want to make sure that you are paying attention to your candles each and every time you burn them to ensure that you actually can reuse your jar so you get more for what you paid for. I do have a bonus tip before we end this video. I just do want to say you want to pay attention to what type of wax the candle company you're purchasing your candles from are using. You want to pay attention to what type of wax they're using. Here at Candles Cartel, we actually use a natural wax called coconut wax, and it is my favorite. Not only is it safe to use around children, but it also produces less soot and it gives you a better overall candle experience. But if you're looking elsewhere, definitely make sure that you pay attention the next time you pick up a candle to make sure that you're getting a natural wax candle. So I hope that you learned a thing or two in today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful candle burning experience after this. Take care.